If you want to make enough money to be financially free, whatever that amount is, first, you must make an ultimate sacrifice. And no, not the thriller movie sacrifice or the controversial secret society sacrifice, but sacrificing the one thing that's holding most of us back, our own comfort. It's tougher than it seems. It's hard to make the decision to sacrifice your own comfort, especially when life feels cozy under that security blanket. But if you're serious about success, if you truly want to make big money and live life abundantly and on your own terms, you have to let that blanket go. Staying in your comfort zone keeps you at the same level you've always been. It keeps you stuck. I know it's tempting to stay there, but if you want progress, real progress, you've got to be bold. And being bold means taking risks. Taking risks means stepping out into uncertainty, into discomfort. And discomfort is a huge part of the journey to success. Trust me, I get it. I've always been shy since I was a kid. Putting myself out there in front of a camera, sharing my thoughts and dreams with you, is not always easy for me. But here's the thing. My desire to inspire you to dream big and accomplish your goals outweighs any discomfort I feel about being in front of an audience. I'll sacrifice my comfort any day if it means reaching more people and making this channel as successful as I know it can be. There's a quote that says, "If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice." How many of us are sacrificing our dreams, our goals, our future just because we're too afraid to get uncomfortable? It's time to stop. Stop letting your fear of discomfort keep you from the life you truly want. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, launching that business, or going back to school. Whatever your goal is, stop pushing it back. It took me over a year to start this YouTube channel because I wanted to wait until I started making a significant amount of money so that I'll have credibility. So when that was taking longer than anticipated, mainly because I kept doing things the same way, expecting different results, I decided to just start. Only I started with a different niche because I still didn't think I was worthy to inspire anybody. But God had a different plan that led me right back here, creating content I didn't deem myself worthy, not thinking that being relatable was good enough. Whatever your dreams and goals are, just stop making excuses and start today. You see, the more you show up for yourself, the less uncomfortable you'll feel about taking risks. It's a process, and even if you only get 1% better every single day, you're still making progress. I know it's cozy under that security blanket, but here's the hard truth. Staying cozy won't get you where you want to go. It's time to make that sacrifice and turn your dreams into reality. Seth Godin once said, "The only thing worse than starting something and failing is not starting something." Whatever your thing is, start today. Don't let another day go by with you staying in your comfort zone. Your dreams are way too important to sacrifice for a little bit of discomfort. I believe in you, and I don't have to know you, because what I do know is that we are all capable of doing whatever we want to do and being whoever we want to be. Unfortunately, it's not up to me. It's up to you to believe in yourself and know that you are capable. If you're ready to step outside your comfort zone and reach your full potential, watch this video on how to make more money by doing one thing. I'll see you on the other side.